Hello fellow trans lovies, I'm your girl Lady, bringing you your hottest news. So if you're new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, also leave a comment below. So Jessica Nkosi is not happy about people telling her to change her blonde hair because she loves her hair like how she is. Someone has just sent her a message telling her to change the blonde hair, and she didn't even like it. She just took the troll away. She just dragged that person who actually told her not to change her hair. She asked why does it bother you? Why are you so concerned about my hair? Because this is my hair, it's not even on your head. So guys, let's just stop, let people be. If they like blonde hair, leave them with their blonde hair. Anyways, Jessica Nkosi is not very happy. Thank you guys for watching. I am out till next time. Love you.